In this video, I'm going to show you how to add pause in ElevenLabs to make your voiceover more natural. First of all, go to ElevenLabs and paste your script here. Paste my script. First of all, we will listen without any pauses. Click on generate speech.
In the
voiceover.
morning, I wake up, freshen up, and have breakfast.
Now we will add pause after in the morning here, and then we will listen again. To add pauses, we will use a code. Don't worry, I will put this code in the description box. Let me explain this code first. Then we will generate the speech. First of all, greater than, and then break time, equal sign, and then quotation mark. Inside the quotation mark, you have to write your value pauses like 2 second, 3 second. You can also use millisecond like 100 millisecond, 200 millisecond, and then slash less than. Now we will generate this speech again. Click on generate.
In the morning, I wake up, freshen up, and have breakfast.
Pause successfully added after in the morning here. That's how we can add pauses in ElevenLabs voiceover. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel for more ElevenLabs tutorial.